essentially that is exactly what I was expecting, right? For the weekly to reject and then go lower. So I'm not surprised to see what the market is doing over here. That's basically what's supposed to happen. If I go to the monthly, you see that they took out the previous month high into that fair value gap that we talked about, and then we've started rejecting, and then on the daily we are coming down nicely. I think we will eventually break this low and then continue going lower. So look for a continuation to the downside on the Bitcoin market, and the same applies to these ones. Again, I think the dollar, the Bitcoin is the leader, so what Bitcoin does, the rest follows. That's why I couldn't even get there. So expect a continuation to the downside. We're expecting it to follow through, continue going down.